Range Rover alarms often malfunction due to the bonnet switch or interior tilt sensors. The bonnet switch detects hood openings and can trigger false alarms if corroded or misaligned. Interior sensors detect motion inside the cabin, while tilt sensors monitor vehicle angle and may activate unnecessarily. Newer models use AI for fewer false alarms, but older vehicles from before 2018 are more prone to these issues. The most frequent problem is a failing bonnet switch, often due to corrosion. Resetting the system offers a temporary fix, but a full diagnostic check is recommended. Environmental factors like weather can worsen these issues. To reset the alarm, disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This clears error codes and can resolve temporary issues. Alternatively, arm the alarm, wait 10 seconds, then disarm. Repeat this process if the issue persists. For the bonnet switch, inspect for corrosion and ensure proper alignment. Replacement costs around $50 to $100. Interior and tilt sensor sensitivity can be adjusted through the infotainment system to prevent false triggers. For persistent issues, firmware updates such as V2.5 for 2023 and later models can help resolve software-related problems. Expert advice emphasizes starting with a reset before assuming a major fault. Use OEM parts for DIY repairs to avoid warranty issues. Professional resets average $150, while DIY costs $20 to $50.